Hello everybody. As part of our value of being transparent and connecting with customers, we thought we'd invite you to a behind the scenes look at an exciting new product that we're going to launch into the market in the coming weeks. Now, this product's being developed on the back of our engagements with customers asking for rapid cloud solutions. And because we're Yorkshire born and we like to do things quick and effective, we've come up with a brand new offering that customers can buy from us off the shelf and implement very quickly. So the team's gathered round as we knock off the edges of the final idea and we get ready for the product going into the market, which is something you can buy very soon. So I'd like to introduce to everybody the Perform Partners Cloud in a Jar. You can see the cloud in there. It's secure and it's surrounded by Yorkshire air, which means it's already optimized to be the most cost-effective cloud on the market today. Now on the call today, we've got Paul Rhodes, who's experienced at delivering cloud. He's going to talk around some of the features that we've got in there. Then we're represented by Chloe and Aida to talk about how we're going to distribute this and market it. And then we've got Josh on, who's in charge of our operational teams to make sure our distribution's quick, fast, and effective. So, Paul, over to you. Why are you excited about the Perform Partners Cloud in a Jar?
I think it's groundbreaking, to be honest. I think from a delivery perspective, I mean, you can see it's got an unbelievable amount of possibilities in that one jar. It's totally transparent. Very easy to expand. You can containerize it. What more do you need in a cloud platform than that? So I think the opportunities here are endless. I mean, you can effectively, once you fill up one jar, you can quite cheaply and easily get another one and start filling that one up. And it's so cost effective. It's the opportunity is huge.
Well, one thing our customers have been asking frequently is how do we scale? How can we have more cloud instances quickly and effectively? And just while you've been talking then, the cloud's scaled in front of me.
Exactly. It's consistent format as well, which again makes it so appealing for other applications that because of the consistency that it has.
Yeah, and it's repeatable. I mean, I mentioned it was secure at the start. I mean, cats and dogs can't get into here. They haven't got thumbs. You need an actual thumb to be able to get into this. It keeps it secure. It keeps it fresh. I've got to say, when I open it, it smells like Yorkshire.
How do you find it on the portability?
It can't fit in my pocket, which is why we're iterating. So the next feature, and it is another sneak preview, is how do we make it more portable? The answer to that is make the jar smaller.
Yeah. And what about but what happens if we have got a customer that needs more cloud storage in that one jar? Do we have a bigger option, or is the less portable? Yes, I know there's a trade-off there, but there is a bigger option potentially if we need to, isn't there?
Yeah, and I mean, these are good points. What we like to do is get something good enough, roll it out, iterate more. I mean, what you don't want to be doing is holding clouds in your hand. I mean, look, they're all over the place. They're not secure. That data's everywhere now. It's out there for people to pick up and run with. Yeah. So one of the most important features were making sure we're secure, making sure we're transparent, and making sure it's cost effective.
And it's a pretty straightforward thing to roll out operationally as well, because it's quite a simple product. It means it's very easy to operate.
Containerized. It's containerized. It's instant. You can see what you're getting. So, well, I mean, obviously we're excited about the features of it, but we want to understand how we can connect with customers and market it. So, Aida, taking the lead on marketing, how can you improve this? How can you make it more desirable to customers?
I mean, for sure, there'll be branding on there. We've got to make sure that we're promoting where the Yorkshire Cloud in a Jar has come from. And we need to make it look really good for the audience. So predominantly we're going to be looking at the packaging. There must be some ribbon on there, some nice tags to make it look really classy and really nice. Then we'll take it out to social media, probably do a few podcasts to talk to some of our customers and how they're enjoying using the Yorkshire Cloud in a Jar product that we've released out there for the beta testing.
And can we get a P on it?
I mean, yeah. Why not? Why not? Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's do it.
We love P's.
Is it useful to use an acronym on this? Obviously, because it's popular to use acronyms in cloud computing. So if you drop the I, you could possibly call it catch. But it's just a suggestion, maybe. I don't know if it'll catch on that way.
It's out there. I mean, it's if the customers are ready to receive, which is a nice segue into Chloe. Chloe, how do you think customers will respond to this from a business development perspective?
Absolutely. So I think, the affordability of it and the fact that it is surrounded by Yorkshire air in a secure container is absolutely going to be a selling point. And Ada and I caught up before this call, and one thing that I should probably mention is there will be a variation with a Yorkshire flat cap as well, and a cup of Yorkshire tea next to it. So making all the important modifications before we roll it out to our customer base.
Yeah, the Yorkshire theme, the Yorkshire brand is important to us, which brings me on to a potential delivery method that Josh could update us on. But I'm curious to see if we can get a harness for a whippet or a ferret and get them to deliver it to customers. Josh, thoughts?
I mean, yeah, it's definitely doable. My team are working on some pretty unique and innovative ideas up here, and you know what, we're going to operate the hell out of it.
Yeah. I reckon you could maybe chuck a flat cap in there as well as a different delivery option, or at least as an introductory gift.
I'm conscious of time. It's been great to connect. Takeaways from it: Perform partners, scalable cloud in a jar. It's secure, it's containerized, it's stackable, and it can be yours. Just follow the link on this video and make sure you get them before they go. Thank you, everybody. See you again soon.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.